You have just made a purchase on that dream car of yours, or perhaps it's just your first automobile. Whether you are new or a veteran in this field, the first thing that you need to think about when you are planning on purchasing a vehicle is getting an auto insurance cover. There are countless sorts of auto insurance cover for you to select from, all dependent on what you need to cover and how much you are prepared to part methods with. While selecting insurance, the first thing you have to know is whether you #39LL need to be totally covered or not in the event of an accident. Full coverage includes both property and bodily injury liabilities. Some of the auto insurance covers include bodily injury liability coverage, uninsured automobile driver bodily injury coverage, underinsured motorist bodily injury coverage, uninsured and underinsured motorist bodily damage coverage, physiological damage, and finally, underinsured motorist property damage. Having great auto insurance is crucial. The pros of having one are quite numerous, from having peace and tranquility, saving on both money and life in the event of a situation or accident, countrywide claim service, 24-hour roadside help program, legal help in the event of accident claims, and discount on mixed policies in the case of an all-inclusive policy. Selecting a good insurance company does not necessarily have to be a great hassle. You might start off by asking for referrals from your acquaintances and family. You could even request that sales agent from whom you purchased your car from. Or you could do a quick search over the net. The successive paragraphs will try and explain some of the main steps and points towards stick to while picking an auto insurance cover. They include price. First, have a price range within your wits. This is simply done by determining the quantity of coverage you want. If you first that #39 be any current auto insurance, then you will need to review it, as this can shed light on what you may need to add or reduce. Collect one or two quotes. Try and get some reasonable quotes from a few auto insurance firms. Though this is going to be a bit time consuming, it is totally worth it, as it #39LL save your cash. Get the contact information of the firms which you find as having great offers. Try asking as many questions possible, as the data on brochures may on occasions vary. Remember to double check on everything. Get more information about the top firms. Check on their performance record, buyer reviews, and so on. After you #39B got the top two corporations, you #39LL try to negotiate on cost. Ask if they offer any discounts. After you have done all these, double check on the contract, thus making certain that you completely understand the terms prior to signing the contract. Insuring both your automobile and yourself is critical, and having auto insurance is a big step. When incorporated into your guideline, these points and any other applicable ones you can come up with will definitely make sure you get the right auto insurance.